tornado warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, south central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Mulligan Hill, 11 miles southwest of Gloucester City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris would be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Mount Laurel, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwood, Belmore, Woodbury, Pittman, Palmyra, Magnolia, Westfield, Woodbury Heights, National Park, Brook Lawn, Audubon Park, and Barclay Kingston. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 27. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 349 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 40. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. To repeat, a tornado has been confirmed. Take cover now. Not through a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a city building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado.
Come on. There we go.